So let's go into the maintenance costs of a company. When you have a trade name, the maintenance costs are less because you file the yearly tax reports, the VAT. But then when you go into a company, you have certain obligations to the government. So can you explain what these are? And of course, the bigger the company, the more
the bigger the
obligations.
company, the bigger the maintenance cost of the company. And this is simply because there is a team of people who will be working to satisfy the company needs. So traditionally, let's list the company requirements. First and foremost is, of course, the preparation of the VAT returns or the VS returns. VS are monthly, and in Cyprus, the VAT returns are every quarter. Then, of course, you have the monthly payroll payments to the local authorities for the social securities, for the ESC taxes and the pay as you earn as applicable. Then at the year end, your accountants need to prepare the 12-month financial statements for your company, which then needs to be passed to your auditor, who will audit the company and express the audit opinion. Once the auditor has completed their work, the company tax return, as well as the audited financial statements or the unaudited financial statements, they need to be submitted to the Cyprus Registrar of Companies. So there are many rudimentary compliance functions that your team of accountants, VAT experts, and auditors need to do for a Cyprus company to be compliant with the regulations here in Cyprus. On the other hand, if you are a sole trader, that means if you are a person who trades under their name and maybe it's a stage designer or maybe it's anyone who provides services that their turnover is very low, less than 50,000, they only need to prepare their VAT returns every quarter, and at the year end, of course, their personal tax return.
Again, this is if you don't have a company, because if you have a company,
I'm talking about the trade,
you need to do the annual reports of the company, and this is an extra cost.
We're talking about sole traders.
Reports. Yes.
So a sole trader needs to be filing VAT returns or VS returns, and of course their personal tax return. Wise, if they are a company, if they own a company, then you need to do this together with the payroll costs, together with the audited financial statements, as well as the submission of the company audited financial statements and the company tax return, and of course the company's employer's return to the income tax office.